Good morning, good morning. Welcome to day 4. And I am excited to bring this day 4 in front of you because today we are going to learn a very, very simple formula of law of attraction or manifestation. And I call it as magic formula. So, how many of you are excited to know the magic formula? If even if you don't know anything about manifestation and you work on this magic formula, you will be able to create, at least means starting from scratch, you can create some small little magical experiences which can build your faith that you can create bigger magics also. So I would like to know from you the answer to yesterday's question. In which area of your life you found yourself to be vibrating at a negative frequency? So you can unmute yourself, or you can type it in the chat box. In which area do you find yourself to be at negative frequency? Money area. Okay, good. Now, when you see, look, okay, let's take the example of money area. Thank you, Subhash. Thank you for opening up. So, if you feel that you are vibrating at a negative frequency in money area, now look at the results that you are creating in money area. Can you see that what you feel about money may be fear, maybe worry, maybe some fear or worry about future of money, about financial security? Can you see that your results are not that great in that particular area? And now there is a difference between good and bad. Every person's good and bad is different. So the desires that you have about money are not matching with the reality that you are creating, right? So this is the perfect example. Whatever you feel about any particular area is the exact same thing that you are creating. Now you might be thinking, but यही तो reality है, that's why I'm feeling that. The cycle, it's a cycle. It is not, there is no cause and effect, but your inner world is creating your outer world. You're feeling lack of money, so the reality is being created as lack of money. Now the reality is created, so again it makes you feel and believe that there is a lack, so it is again creating the lack, and this is an unending cycle. But it started from your inner world, right? It started from your inner world. Now, when I say simple magic formula, do you feel within yourself that if I share this magic formula with you, you will be going ahead and applying it in your life? Will you do that?
Yes.
And how many of you will use it and share with me about your difficulties, challenges, or the magical experiences you create? Great. Because when you do that, then you are in that space and you're vibrating at that frequency. You're looking for miracles, and what you get, what you look for. If you are not consciously living it, if you are not following any conscious manifestation practices, then automatically what do you create? Automatically you create what you don't want. Because as we looked at the example of mobile phone, battery goes down even if you don't use your mobile, even if it is 100% charged, right? So in today's session, we are going to see the magic formula. So are you ready for the magic formula? If yes, then type yes in the chat box, because this magic formula is going to be eye-opening. And this is the beauty of short sessions. You absorb capsules, you absorb short sessions, and the concepts are absorbed one small concept at a time, one small concept at a time. And this is very helpful in carrying the day forward, especially in today's times when everyone has many things and tasks in all the areas of life, right? So let's see what is the magic formula. The magic formula is BTEA. Now, what is BTEA? BTEA is the whole, you can say that it's the blueprint of your life. Whatever you have created or you are creating or you're going to get, you're going to create is dependent on BTEA. So what is this? This starts from belief. B is belief. What is the belief? Belief is, for example, you think and feel that chori karna bura hai. Means to steal things is not a good habit. It's a bad habit, right? We have this belief. Do you agree with this? Right? Now, for by mistake, accidentally, you happen to spend time with thieves. Not for a day or two. 1 साल, 2 साल, 3 साल. Do you feel that your belief will be the same that चोरी करना गलत है? या you will start agreeing with them that हाँ, चोरी करना गलत नहीं है. Sometimes it is important. कभी कभी परिस्थिति ऐसी होती है कि वो करना पड़ता है. So slowly you start shifting your belief from what is not right to what is right, what might be right, sometimes right, then it is always right. Correct? So this belief, now after 2 years, do you think that you're going to be the same person as you are today, or you will be a different person? You will be a different person, right? Why? Because now your beliefs have changed. Now your beliefs have changed, and that's why everything you create in your life is going to change. People you attract in your life are going to change. Basically, your destiny is going to change. Correct? So your beliefs are making your destiny. And in these magic morning sessions, what we are going to do is we are going to explore the miracles of mind, and we are going to inculcate new beliefs about creating great things. And as you come into this space and stay there for a longer time, you will also see how your beliefs are shifting. And once you start seeing your beliefs are shifting, you will also start noticing how your luck is changing, how things are changing, how good things are coming into your life. Why? Because now, no, unknowingly and subconsciously, you're working on building new beliefs of possibilities, new beliefs of having faith in me that I can do it and a lot of money can come to me easily. This is a new belief because till today we are believing that money comes in a very hard way or I have to work very hard for money. Agree? Now, if you want to change this belief of 40-45 years of means a 45 years ka belief agar aapko change karna hai, to it will not happen in 5-6 days. You will have to be in this space constantly, conscious manifestation practices so that your subconscious mind is trained to believe in the new possibilities. Correct? If you live in a space of belief which is contrary to your belief for 2 to 3 years, it will change you. Now, since childhood, you're living with people like your parents, you're surrounded by other people, your teachers, this society, extended relatives, friends, and they are making you believe in something. You are not even aware that they are making you believe in something that you don't want. And you have started looking at it as if it is your belief. But it is not your belief. If you feel that money, I always have to work very hard for money, or great health is not possible with age. After the age of 60 or 70 this particular thing happens, because this is what I have seen in people in my family. But do you know the reality? You can change every belief, because the belief is a belief. It is not you. It is just a belief, which is a thought, a repetitive thought that has been given to you by the people around you. So the intention of the extension of this program to a longer one is to help you shift your beliefs. And do you feel that this belief shifting program, magic morning program, or you can say miracles of mind creation, is going to be helpful for not just you, but for many people around you? Because when you're constantly in that space, now you are in creation mode. So this BTEA, belief, then comes T, thought. Thought means, now belief is repetitive thought for a longer time, many days, months, and years. And thought is a random thought that comes to your mind. Every time you think, like, for example, right now you're thinking about something. Maybe you're in the session, but you're thinking about your next activity. कहीं आपको पहुंचना है, you have to have your breakfast, या आपको कुछ breakfast बनाना है, या फिर आपको work के लिए जाना है, आप आज मंडे है तो आपकी कोई मीटिंग है. So something is going on in your head, right? So you're thinking, it's a thought. अब ये जो थॉट है, इसके साथ जब कोई फीलिंग अटैच हो जाती है, दैट मीन्स इमोशन, then this thought gets power, because E is energy in motion. E is emotion. Now if you're thinking about a meeting with your um, prospect, with your probable client, उनके साथ आज आपकी मीटिंग है, but and that is a thought, I have a meeting with that particular person, I need to crack that deal, and the emotion associated with that thought is, I don't think that I will be able to crack this deal, I don't think that it is going to be a profitable day, month is going to end very soon, I don't believe that this is going to be a great month. Again, the same month. I mean, I really wanted to make a lot of money this month, but again, my business is not that great because so many festivals were there. People canceled their appointments, and this happened and that happened. Again, this is the same. Okay, maybe in October. Correct? Now, what is the emotion? Does this emotion make you feel good? No, because it has a disappointment. Now, can you observe in your life how these simple thoughts create such disappointing emotions, and we are not even aware that these emotions are getting created, right? And then we are creating the same experiences in real life, and then we start questioning कि मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों होता है? Why does this happen with me only? The other person is earning good profits. Do you relate to it? Yeah. So the next one is ACT. A, BTEA. So next one is ACT. ACT means what? ACT means action. अभी अगर ये इमोशन है कि पता नहीं ये होगा कि नहीं, now you go in the meeting, will your body language be as confident as a person who is 100% sure कि ये क्रैक होने वाला है? No, because belief क्या है? पैसे कमाना थोड़ा मुश्किल है, बहुत हार्डवर्क करना पड़ता है. थॉट क्या है? आज मेरी मीटिंग तो है, बट आई डाउट ये सक्सेसफुल होगी कि नहीं, पता नहीं, लास्ट टाइम तो इन्होंने नहीं बोल दिया था, इस बार भी ऐसा हो सकता है. इमोशन क्या है? डिसअपॉइंटमेंट. अभी एक्ट क्या है? लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस. सो योर बॉडी लैंग्वेज, योर एक्शंस, योर वे ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन will show or will radiate the energy which is at low vibrational frequency. Now, because you're vibrating at a low vibrational frequency, what other person is going to give you is again to re-cement that faith. Yes, money comes with hard work. Yeah, you don't deserve this deal. Yeah, this deal cannot be cracked. So they're agreeing with what you believe. Now the deal doesn't get cracked and you feel that मुझे पता ही था. I knew that this will not happen. But it is reverse, because you think that you knew it and you created that feeling कि ये ऐसा ही होगा, इसीलिए ऐसा होगा. You could have changed this reality, and the power lies with you. So today's magic formula is act as if. Act as if का मतलब है ऐसे behave करो, act करो जैसे आपका सपना आपका already हो चुका है. Right? तो अगर हमारे पास हमारा माइंड एक रेडियो है, look at our mind as a radio, और इस रेडियो में 4 बटन्स है. ठीक है? 4 बटन्स कौन से हैं? BTEA. एक बिलीफ का बटन है, एक थॉट का बटन है, एक इमोशन का बटन है, और एक एक्ट मतलब एक्शन का बटन है. ठीक है? अभी ये चारों बटन जो है, इसका कंट्रोल आपके हाथ में है. ओके? नाउ योर माइंड, अगेन आई रिपीट, योर माइंड इज अ रेडियो एंड दिस रेडियो हैज 4 buttons, and the names of the button is BTEA: belief, thought, emotion, action. Okay? Now you can have this control over this button and you can manage your vibrational frequency. Clear till now? You can manage your frequency. Now, if you can manage your frequency, don't you feel that it is very easy to manage the buttons and change your vibrational frequency? Do you feel it is easy or you feel it is difficult? Type easy or difficult, whatever you feel. Easy? Easy, good. If you believe that it is easy, then you are going to create your reality really easily. Thank you so much. Subhash Ramana, I just want to congratulate you because you have just started taking one step forward to your desired future. ये belief ही important है that it is easy. एक बार आपने ये commit कर दिया, now your mind knows, अच्छा, to manage my vibrational frequency is easy. Okay, that's great. बटन से तो घुमाना है सिर्फ, right? Now, what are your feelings made up of? चलो अभी energy पे काम करते हैं. Emotion is energy in motion. But can you see that we have two types of emotions? Positive emotions, negative emotions. Correct? तो अभी कभी कभी क्या होता है कि हमारा जो बटन है ये नेगेटिव इमोशन की तरफ चला जाता है. Now, if it goes to negative, what is our action? What is our choice? To consciously raise the volume of the button so that it goes to positive emotions. Simple. Agree? अगर यहाँ तक agree है तो चलो, as I said, it's like a logical mathematical equation. अब यहाँ तक आप agree करते हैं. अब पहले इस यहाँ तक समझ लो कि अगर ऑटोमेटिकली इमोशन का बटन नीचे चला जाता है, मतलब नेगेटिव में चला जाता है, आई हैव पावर टू कॉन्शियसली रेज द वॉल्यूम एंड इंक्रीज द इमोशन, इंक्रीज द इमोशनल एनर्जी. एंड व्हाई डू आई हैव टू डू इमोशंस? इमोशन के बटन पे ही हमें ज्यादा काम करना है. ऐसा क्यों? बिकॉज हमारे जो बिलीव्स है, जो भी अभी आपकी एज है ना, इतनी ही एज आपके बिलीफ की है. अगर हम बिलीफ से जूझते रहे, कौन जीतेगा, बिलीफ या आप? बिलीफ जीतेगा, क्योंकि बिलीफ हमें समझ नहीं थी, उससे पहले से ही हमारे साथ है, तो सीनियर है बिलीफ, एक्सपीरियंस्ड है. तो बिलीफ विल नॉट कीप एनी स्टोन अनटर्न टू शो अस our limiting beliefs again and again. So what are we going to do? We are not going to work on our beliefs. We are not going to fight with our beliefs. जैसा है वैसा है. थॉट, अभी थॉट पे देखते हैं. Around, according to the research, around 60,000 thoughts pop up into our mind in a day. Practically, is it possible to be aware 60,000 times to change the thought? It is not possible. हर थॉट के वक्त आप थॉट के साथ प्रेजेंट रहेंगे तो यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू वर्क. आप काम पे जाओ नहीं, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू गो टू वर्क, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू टॉक टू पीपल, बिकॉज आप कॉन्स्टेंटली प्रोसेस कर रहे हो, ये थॉट आया है, अभी मुझे ये आंसर करना है, राइट? It is just like managing 60,000 people at a time in a day. Practically, it is not possible. You have to have a team, right? So we are going to have our team member, and the most powerful team member of all these processes is our emotion, energy in motion. Emotion is the most trustworthy friend or team member for you. Why? Because beliefs come from the past, thought I may create from future, present, or past. But emotion is something, if I focus on my emotion, it is easier for me to use this button. So we are going to use the button of emotion. तो जब भी आपका इमोशन नीचे जाता है, just tell yourself, I am going to raise my vibrational frequency. I am going to turn up the volume. क्योंकि बटन है, आई एम गोइंग टू टर्न अप द वॉल्यूम. रेडियो पर अगर कोई आपका फेवरेट सॉन्ग आता है, आप वॉल्यूम बढ़ाते हैं ना कि हाँ ये मेरा फेवरेट सॉन्ग है. तो वैसे ही आपका फेवरेट फ्रेंड है इमोशन. जब भी आप खुद को, यू फाइंड आउट योर सेल्फ गोइंग लो इन इमोशनल फ्रिक्वेंसी, जस्ट टर्न अप द वॉल्यूम टू रेज योर वाइब्रेशनल फ्रिक्वेंसी. सिंपल. Okay, why? Because we cannot be aware of 60,000 thoughts in a day. एंड वी कैन नॉट फाइट विद आवर बिलीव्स, क्योंकि जिस चीज से आप फाइट करते हो ना, वही चीज आपके लाइफ में बार बार आती है. यू अट्रैक्ट व्हाट यू रेजिस्ट द मोस्ट, बट यू कैन ऑलवेज चूज योर इमोशंस. नाउ दिस 4 बटन्स हमेशा ध्यान रखो. जब भी कुछ ऐसा आता है कि समथिंग इज नॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, व्हाट इज माई इमोशनल फ्रिक्वेंसी राइट नाउ? ओह, इट इज लो. व्हाई एम आई फीलिंग लो? बोरियत है? ओके, लेट मी प्ले माई फेवरेट सॉन्ग. किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया एंड यू आर फीलिंग सैड. ओके, आई एम फीलिंग सैड, बट इट इज माई चॉइस कितने समय तक मुझे इस इमोशन को फील करना है. इफ यू चूज, यू कैन चूज दैट इमोशन 1 डे, 1 मंथ, 1 ईयर, या फिर आपने अगर ठान ली तो आप सिर्फ 5 मिनट उसे फील करके दूसरे इमोशन को चूज कर सकते हो. इट इज योर चॉइस. And all the manifestation processes are going to help you to turn up the volume of your emotion. And so, conscious living, conscious manifestation lifestyle is important, because when your volume is low, when all the 4 buttons have low volume and your dreams are vibrating at a higher frequency, there is a disconnect, huge disconnect. और वहां डिस्कनेक्ट है, वाइब्रेशन ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी मैच नहीं हो रही है, इसीलिए इट इज नॉट टर्निंग इनटू रियलिटी, राइट? नाउ your feelings create your frequency, and your frequency decides your aura. The stronger your aura is, the better things you attract in your life, the more money you attract into your life, and it starts matching up with your goals, and you start seeing magics, more and more magics. These feelings and beliefs, what do they create? They create inspired action. बहुत बार होता है ना, मैंने तो, बट पल्लवी, आई वर्क वेरी हार्ड फॉर दिस डील, आई वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग सम ग्रेट रिजल्ट, लेकिन फिर भी नहीं आए। मेरा थॉट भी अच्छा था, मेरा बिलीफ भी अच्छा था, मेरी फीलिंग्स भी एकदम इन कंट्रोल थे, आई वॉज एंथुसियास्टिक, but still it didn't happen. Why? Because your actions were coming from the desperate mode. So there are 2 types of action: inspired action, desperate actions. When your feelings and beliefs are aligned, you tend to take an inspired action. And when you take inspired action, it gives you magical results. But when you are in desperate action, desperate, पता नहीं होगा कि नहीं, अच्छे से होगा कि नहीं, I don't know when it will happen, how will it happen? You're desperate. Now this desperation energy, this desperate energy is going to repel what you want. So make sure that you feel good about everything you do. सिंपल एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपको आपके डायटिशियन ने या आपके हेल्थ कोच ने आपको कुछ दिया है प्लान, फॉरगेट अबाउट हेल्थ कोच, वी ऑल नो व्हाट इज गुड फॉर अस, हमें पता है सैलड्स खाना अच्छा है, हमें पता है रोज एक्सरसाइज करना अच्छा है, लेकिन फिर भी बहुत बार अगर आप 2-3 दिन के बाद लगता है, ओ नो, अभी मुझे सुबह उठकर जाना पड़ेगा, रनिंग करनी पड़ेगी, साइकिलिंग करनी पड़ेगी, वेट ट्रेनिंग करना पड़ेगा, कल तो नींद भी नहीं हुई, फिर आप जाते हो, कैसे तो करते हो, फिर आते हो वापस, ये सैलड खाना पड़ता है, देखो ऐसा है। या फिर किसी को डायबिटीज है, शुगर छोड़नी पड़ी, अगर मुझे तो शुगर छोड़ने, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है स्वीट खाना, लेकिन छोड़नी पड़ी। सो दिस इज योर डेस्परेट एक्शन। आप एक्शन तो सही ले रहे हो, लेकिन इज इट एडिंग एनी जॉय टू योर लाइफ? नो। अभी आप कितनी भी एक्शन कर लो, कितना भी हार्डवर्क कर दो, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू सी एनी रिजल्ट इन योर हेल्थ, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट एंजॉइंग द प्रोसेस. So inspired action is when your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings are in alignment and you feel good while doing it. I'm inspired. So why do I go and exercise? Because I love to move my body. Why do I eat healthy food? Because I love to see the health benefits of this food on my body. Let me see what magical results I can create in my health. सो दिस इज एन इंस्पायर्ड एक्शन. बट आपको जब करना पड़ेगा, मुझे करना पड़ता है, दिस इज द लैंग्वेज आई हैव टू डू, आई विल हैव टू डू. इफ दिस इज द लैंग्वेज, इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम डेस्परेट एक्शन एंड इट विल नॉट क्रिएट मैजिकल रिजल्ट्स. Does that help you? So instead of going too deep, let's keep it simple, and I will see you tomorrow on day 5. Day 5, and it is going to be our last day, but it is going to give you wow moment. Wow moment. But before I hop off the call, I would like to listen to you whether you have any question or sharing. Anything to share?
Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Very thank you for the session, ma'am.
You're
And
most welcome.
appreciate you are concisely scheduling it within the time frame
Yeah.
and delivering as expected. Really appreciable.
Thank you so much. I hope that it adds more and more value to your life. Otherwise, auto mode पे life जब चली जाती है, we all know what kind of results we create, right? Thank you for sharing.
Ma'am, you are able to hear me?
Yes, Subhash, I can hear you.
I just want to tell you that I'm very, very grateful from day one, even before the intro session itself. Somehow I wanted to write about it, but I was not able to. So I thought, let me at least speak out.
Yeah.
Every small point that you speak, you tell, really hits the heart, and it is all very, very real. I mean, because I have attended few other sessions also here and there. I mean, we keep saying so many things, but here there is no pretension. It is very, I mean, I don't know. So I really thank God for having brought you into as a mentor, and I really see great hope, and I want to continue with the sessions. I will definitely text you uh, for an interaction between today and tomorrow, uh, so that we can have that 90-day session together. So I'm keenly interested. So that's all I just wanted to share.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's very difficult to put in words as of now.
Yeah, I can understand.
It's bringing up in the last 5 days. There's been a lot of change in my activities and the results thereby. So I'll definitely like to
Great.
have get trained in a longer period also.
Amazing, amazing, Subhash. I truly value your sharing, and I also want to appreciate you for taking that stand for yourself, because when you take a stand for yourself, then you
Yes.
are in that magic mode. And this magic mode, the magic is present within us. We ourselves are magic born, but we don't realize it. So thank you very much for your sharing, and I welcome you to the further journey.
Great.
Let's see. Okay. Anyone else, or we should hop off? यस प्रवीणा जी, आपने मुझे पूछा आपकी लाइफ में पहला मैजिक कौन सा हुआ इस अंडरस्टैंडिंग के बाद. आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर टुमारो बिकॉज ऑफ द स्कैरसिटी नहीं कह सकते. द टाइम इज अप एंड माय कमिटमेंट इज अबाउट 25 minutes. आई एम ऑलरेडी 2 minutes over that. So let's meet tomorrow, and I will share one magical experience from my life which will help you strengthen your belief in the process. So all that I am sharing with you comes from my own experiences. I don't want to complicate the manifestation knowledge for you. I want to bring it in a logical way, right? Because यहाँ जब तक समझ नहीं आएगा तब तक दिल तक नहीं पहुंचेगा. So see you tomorrow on day 5. Till then, take care, bye bye, and make sure that you elevate your energy to the next level. Take care.